Understanding the difference between misdemeanors and felonies is crucial for analyzing their legal consequences, social stigma, and economic effects. Here's a breakdown of their historical context, recent developments, and future implications. Misdemeanor, a less serious crime punishable by up to 1 year in jail, fines, or probation. Examples include petty theft, disorderly conduct, and first-time DUI. Felony, a serious crime punishable by more than 1 year in prison, heavy fines, and long-term consequences. Examples include murder, grand theft, and drug trafficking. Felony convictions can lead to loss of voting rights, firearm ownership, and employment restrictions. Felony convictions limit job opportunities, while misdemeanors may still affect hiring decisions. Felons often face difficulty securing housing and loans due to background checks. Misdemeanor offenders have higher chances of rehabilitation, while felons face longer-term stigma. Studies show minority groups are disproportionately affected by felony convictions, leading to systemic inequality. Many states restrict voting rights for felons, sparking debates on civil rights. Critics argue harsh sentencing laws lead to overcrowded prisons and unfair punishments. Some states allow record sealing for misdemeanors, but felonies often remain permanent. The cost of incarceration for felons is significantly higher than rehabilitation programs for misdemeanors. Each U.S. state has its own classification system for misdemeanors and felonies, meaning the same crime can carry different penalties depending on where it occurs. Misdemeanors are typically punishable by up to 1 year in jail, fines, or probation. Some states classify misdemeanors into categories with varying penalties. Felonies are more serious crimes punishable by over 1 year in prison. Some states have degrees or classes to determine sentencing severity. States like California, Texas, and Washington have 3 strikes laws, meaning repeat felony offenders can face life sentences. California uses 3 strikes law for repeat offenders. Misdemeanors include petty theft, while felonies include grand theft and violent crimes. Texas classifies misdemeanors into Class A, B, and C. Felonies range from state jail felonies to capital felonies. New York has Class A and B misdemeanors. Felonies range from Class A to Class E. Florida misdemeanors are first degree or second degree. Felonies range from third degree to capital felonies. Illinois uses Class A, B, and C misdemeanors. Felonies range from Class X to Class 4. Some states treat small amounts of marijuana as a misdemeanor, while others classify it as a felony. Some states ban felons from voting, while others restore voting rights after release. States like California and Illinois allow some misdemeanor and felony records to be sealed, while others keep them permanent. Liked this? If you found this information helpful and inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. Smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Catch you later, and remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what's right. See you next time.